We're all in this because we really value our members and what we're able to give them, and we believe in the service. And everybody that works here has had their own personal experiences.
We took care of a 4-month-old, and we got a call from her grandfather, and the child wasn't eating, had something called failure to thrive, and had gag reflexes and lots of different things, and wasn't gaining weight, and was told by their treating physician that now the next step would be to actually put a tube in their stomach, and actually had the scheduled surgery. So the grandfather called us just to see if there's something we can do, perhaps, get a second opinion, and turned out that surgery was actually postponed. They did come up with a different treatment plan, and the child did not require surgery after all. So in that instance, that really did provide a difference, and they were, of course, very happy for that.